What role do you play in the maintenance of this water treatment?
What? Here?
Role.
What is the role? Total from maintenance to treatment of water.
How many years have you spent with this water?
Water supply? It's 9 years.
When was the water treatment plant mentioned?
It is in 1971.
How many treatment plants are there in Raiganj?
Total 3 numbers of treatment plants are here. This is called as old plant, new plant, and 25 unit.
What are the methods you use for treating water in this water treatment
So
plant?
the latest technology, we are using clarificator for treating of water treatment plant, and filtration unit we are having. So total capacity of this treatment plant is 41.3 milliliters.
What are the components of this water treatment plant?
Components are like aerator, then hydraulic clarificator, rapid sand filter, and dosing tanks, all these things.
So what is the clarity level of the water before treating it and after treating it?
What is the?
Clarity level of the water before treating and after treating it.
We are treating raw water coming from Dhanigarh Dam through alum and hydrated lime and then bleaching powder. So in raw water we'll find that E. coli bacteria is there, and after treatment it will totally eliminate that one. Okay, the first thing. Then the sulfate is also there in raw water, and we will remove that sulfates. Like that. And turbidity, the turbidity is high, and we will reduce the turbidity to the required level or convention.
So what is the pH level of water before treating it and after treating it?
Before treating it is below 6.5, and after treatment we'll add hydrated lime to enhance the pH value. Will go up to 7.5.
But
Actually, it is the range of 6.5 to 8.5.
Actually, but when we tested the pH level of all the waters, for example, and collected from the schools, so the pH value for all the water samples was just 5.
Just 5.
Yes.
Where you are treated that one?
Sorry?
Where you are treated?
Not
Where you
treated,
are
just
tested? Sorry.
In the school lab.
Huh?
Bio lab.
Biolab. Which method you have tested?
Litmus.
With the help of pH level
pH
paper.
paper.
The pH meter you having?
No.
Paper.
pH paper.
pH paper. That is not that much accurate, I think. You have to take a pH meter. Hannah's pH meter is available. You can test for that.
So what is the cost of maintaining this water treatment plant per annum?
Per annum. It is huge amount. I don't know actually what is the cost of total cost.
So are there any changes?
But it will be in crores.
Are there any changes in the quality and quantity of water which comes to the treatment plant seen over time?
Quality, I have already told that pH level will enhance the pH level, turbidity will reduce the turbidity, will remove the E. coli bacteria. This is the quality purpose. And second one?
Quantity of the water.
Quantity,
which
yes, we are taking water near about 32 million liter, but 32, approximately we are taking 32 milliliter from dam, and after treatment will give about 31.5 milliliter, 5 milliliter will be the waste.
Okay. So what are the causes and effects of these changes? Are there any causes and changes?
What are the?
Causes and effects of the changes. After treating, like we are treating the water, no? So like the changes, अब पहले कितना पानी आ रहा था, अब कितना पानी आ रहा है, पहले का क्वालिटी कैसे?
हाँ, वही बताया मैंने, जैसा 32 मिलियन लीटर टोटल हम लोग रिसीव करते हैं, तो सोचिए उसमें 5 लाख लीटर वेस्ट हो जाता है, लेकिन अगेन विल उसको रिसाइकिल करते हैं हम लोग, अगेन रिसाइकिल करते हैं, उसको मैक्सिमम यूज करने की कोशिश करते हैं.
Okay, so is there any ways to treat water using natural method?
Natural method. ये नेचुरल मेथड मैंने आप क्या क्वेश्चन है आपका वो समझने में मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ। मैं नेचुरल मेथड क्या है?
नहीं लाइक अब जैसे केमिकल यूज़ कर रहे हैं सो क्या विदाउट एनी केमिकल्स कम कर सकते
नहीं,
हैं?
हम नहीं कर सकते विदाउट एनी केमिकल। आप ई कोली बैक्टीरिया विदाउट एनी मैंने कैसे करेंगे केमिकल्स? जब तक आप ब्लीचिंग पाउडर डोजिंग नहीं करेंगे, एलएम डोजिंग आप नहीं करेंगे तो टर्बिडिटी डाउन नहीं होगा। आप पीएच को एनहेंस करने के लिए आपको हाइड्रेटेड लाइम ऐड करना पड़ेगा, तो ये सब ऐड करना पड़ेगा। तो नेचुरल मेथड और हमारे पास ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हम ये सब चीज़ें ठीक कर सकते हैं।
So what are the types of chemical used in this treatment plant?
That is ferric alum, grade 4 we are using for treatment, and hydrated lime, and bleaching powder.
Okay, so what are the adverse effects of those chemicals on humans?
दिस इज मैंने हम लोग जो यूज़ कर रहे हैं ये केमिकल्स, इसका कोई एडवर्स इफेक्ट अभी तक तो हमें ऐसा कोई फाइंडिंग्स नहीं है। सब हमारे जो IS कोड है उसके हिसाब से ही हम यूज़ करते हैं, तो ऐसा कुछ हमें उस पर कोड्स पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं लिखा है कि इसका कुछ एडवर्स इफेक्ट है। हाँ, इसके कंजम्पशन अगर हम गलती से अगर कुछ ज़्यादा मैंने डालते हैं तो एट द टाइम में जैसे ब्लीचिंग पाउडर अगर सोचिए हम आपका रिक्वायर्ड लेवल से ज़्यादा डालते हैं, 0.22 ppm होना चाहिए आपके हाउस होल्ड में, ठीक है। अगर उससे ज़्यादा चले जाता है तो आपका एडवर्स इफेक्ट हो सकता है, लेकिन ऐसा होते नहीं है। हम टेस्ट करते हैं उसके लिए 0.22 ppm आपके घर पर पहुंचने के लिए 0.22 ppm होना चाहिए, तो हम वो मेंटेन करते हैं उसको।
Thanks.
थैंक यू।